Step by step how to brush dog's teeth. All things considered, the best way to brush a dog's teeth is with an enzymatic toothpaste. Finding one that tastes good to your canine will make this process easier. You want to help them enjoy going in for a kiss as you daub all over their mouth. Dogs also love cheese and yogurt, so if they don't like the toothpaste, try those two substances instead for brushing up on your kissing techniques too. The problem with regular paste is that it kills not only plague bacteria and plaque, but given enough time can also kill the friendly bacteria living around a dog's gums and teeth, turning them into dead zones. We call these areas dead zones because they lack any life or fresh blood circulation to the area. This is a bad situation for your dog as it does not get the oxygen and nutrients that are needed from fresh blood circulation, so they don't have good oral hygiene in these areas. Like humans, dogs need clean, fresh, oxygenated blood flowing through their teeth and gums to keep their teeth healthy. Fresh, raw, organic milk is a good natural way to keep your dog's teeth healthy. Keeping another perspective in mind, dogs have 42 teeth in total, 30 of which are the white eye teeth that we see as their adult teeth start coming into place between 4 and 7 months old. The other 12 are the smaller milk or deciduous teeth, which are smaller and more pointed. These last until your dog is about 1 year old, when they are replaced by the larger eye teeth mentioned above. Some breeds have fewer of these deciduous teeth than others, and it is important for a veterinarian to determine if your pup will lose his second set of pearly whites so he can plan accordingly. Good food is very important to the health of your pet's heart and digestive system, along with exercise, which also helps remove toxic waste and prevent obesity in dogs. It has been discovered that a poor diet not only affects bones and joints but also causes excessive bleeding in gums and other oral lesions. Here are some easy how to brush dog's teeth tips to follow. 1. Use a toothbrush that is near the size of your dog's mouth, which is usually about 3 inches wide by 1 inch long. Use short dabs of toothpaste at first and work up to longer dabs. 2. Start at the top of your pooch's mouth working down. Be sure not to swish your dog's saliva into his mouth, causing him to try and swallow it. Doing this over a sink may help with accidental swallowing until you get more comfortable. 3. Make sure your toothpaste is sugar-free for the health of your dog's teeth. 4. Begin brushing each tooth with a side-to-side motion and be sure to brush all the way up to the gum line, which should take about 2 minutes per session. 5. In the beginning, 2 sessions a week would be sufficient, but as your dog gets used to you and his new how to brush dog's teeth routine, increase it to once per day. Work up to doing this on an empty stomach in the morning or evening, preferably before or after eating some food rather than right after, because they won't be able to swallow without being distracted.